Hi, today I would like to show you how to earn $225 by opening a checking account that shows how to make $100 online fast. Yes, this video is going to be very interesting, and I'm going to show you a very good offer running right now that you can just go and avail this opportunity and you can earn $225 without any problem. It's a really fast earning method right now. So $100, making $100 fast online. If you haven't make any money online yet, this is the opportunity right now. It's going on. It's a limited time opportunity, so be hurry on that. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the website that is providing this opportunity. So the site is called Chase. Yes, chase.com. This is a banking websites, and it's a really good opportunity right now. You can see that they have boldly written how the offer is going on. So if you just go on to the chase.com, this is a very good and profitable and trusted online bank, and also it's a very good way. You can see that this is a professional way to handle your assets, your money online and on mobile, and many more features they have right now, like checking account, saving account, home loans, credit card, business, anything you want, any service you want, it's available here, and it will be easily manageable your assets. So what is the catch? You see that in the home screen right away in the banner, you can see that they are saying enjoy $225 new Chase checking customers. Open a Chase total checking account and set up your direct deposit, and this is it. You will get $225. So if you just click on open an account here, you click on this button, it will show something like this. So it's already saying that enjoy $225 as a new checking customer. So you have to open a checking account here, and when you open a Chase total checking account and set up direct deposit within 90 days of coupon enrollment, you are going to get that. And this is really awesome way to earn money online. So if you want to open an account, you just need a direct deposit. That's it. You simply open there, and if you just simply go there, this is how it works. You just simply scroll down and you can see that there are three simple step process. So open a checking account there and online with the coupon code that is available here, and also you can just enter your email here if you just want to decide it later to open a Chase current account. You can do that as well. They will send you the coupon to your email. So when you just open that account and enter your email address to get your coupons and bring it to a Chase branch to open an account, and then it will be okay to open the checking account. So you have to go to the bank to open that account, and before it is expiry, it is going to be last for like 20th of April. So better hurry on that. It's a limited time offer. You just open an account on Chase and it just direct deposit, set up a direct deposit within 90 days of coupon enrollment, and that's it. You're going to receive your money within 15 days of your time of your account opening. So there is a catch here. If you just see that set up a direct deposit within 90 days of coupon enrollment, and here is the conditions. If you just click on that conditions, it will highlight you that account closing. So if the checking account is closed by the customer or Chase within 6 months after coupon enrollment, they will deduct the bonus amount at closing. So this is the conditions. This is the condition you have to follow. You cannot close this account within 6 months of time. So to avail this coupon codes, to avail this bonus. So this is it, guys. You can use this bank. You definitely use some banks, right? So why not use Chase Bank to get $225? No other banks will going to provide that. So this is a really good opportunity for a new bank to promote their service, and people are and to get more new customers. So this is it, guys, the limited time opportunity. It's only going to last for like 1 month now. It's going to be end on 20th of April, so better hurry and open an account there. Direct deposit it with link your direct deposit within 90 days of coupon enrollment, and you will receive your bonus money within 15 days. So your money stays here, so you get $225 free. So this is the way you can just make, if you haven't make any money online or offline, you just make the $100 free, and you can just reach $225 just by opening a checking account here. So this is it, guys. This is the method. You just simply, this is not a like method, it's just an offer. I got it, and so I want to share it to my viewers so that they can get that going and they can get some money from that. So this is the opportunity. If you have not known it yet, just go to chase.com and open a checking account and go to the bank and complete the direct deposit, and you will get the $225 within 15 days of registrations as a bank account holder of checking account. So this is it, guys. This is the way, this is the offer, this is the limited time offer. So if you're liking this offer or method or video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you'll be always notified on my latest videos on Money Horn. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.